Alright, so today I'll be removing some skin tags off my face using listen, my bed is from a long time, literally from 2022, right? From July 2022 I ordered it, and I got it from when? Because it's from 2022. So see there? So this is it. Let me try it out. You have the little charging port here. It come with them here. Alright. You have them screw here where it come with. I got 30 of these. They made a smaller needle. How it works? You charge it. You just plug it in. It's a regular charger. You just plug it in, charge it, and then it turn on. This is how it turn on. You press down on it, and this to turn it up, and this to turn it down. This one to turn it down. But the 4 dots that you see across that show you that the battery life. This plug it, screw it in. Let's screw it in normal. Maybe like say at the first, I use it. I use it long enough time enough. But because I say I go do my face now, I want to record it because I want to show you another video of me doing my tattoos. Some that was on my tattoos. Now on my face, you have. I'm gonna turn it off until. So look at my face. Go up close. Alright, it's gonna up close and personal. So alright, maybe like you have a muscle up your nose. So I turn it on, see it on there, there are 5, right? It'll tell you there are 5. So I have to muscle up for that part here on my face. Tell you what, it's because the mirror is small. I'm going to use the smaller one. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it in. It comes with one little hole. Alright, it comes with one little hole. See it, I go through there and then push you right down. Right? And then I'm gonna do this and then screw you in. Alright, see it there? Alright, let's go. I turn it down because too, because my head might get teared. What a full better. Oh, well, how you know that this is actually working? If you look on every time I press on it, you see it's blinking. Look. so you know that it literally works. So if you think it now work, oh, there is a what do you call it, a blue light that come on it. It literally not help out, but I'm gonna tell you that like it not help out at all. So but that's the purpose of the blue light. Anyways, for fancy light. Alright, so this is my face, and you have this side. Yes, so this is day one. Alright, so